Workplace fraud is a crime. It's bad for business, bad for workers, and bad for Texas. Workplace fraud occurs when employers wrongfully classify their employees as independent contractors by providing them with a 1099 form instead of the W-2 for employees, or by paying in cash and failing to withhold taxes. Workplace fraud is pervasive in the Texas construction industry. A recent study by the University of Texas found that 38% of construction workers in Austin are misclassified as independent contractors. By misclassifying their workers, unscrupulous employers in Texas can cut their costs by from 9 to 15%. Companies get out of paying payroll taxes and strip workers of their rights to other benefits. Texas loses vital income. Fraud results in at least $35 million lost to the Texas Unemployment Insurance Fund each year. Honest businesses can't compete. Workplace fraud allows construction companies who cheat on their taxes and lie on their insurance policies to underbid responsible companies who play by the rules.
I ended up paying a lot more on my taxes. My taxes went up. It affected my family and having, to pay my mortgage, having to pay my car notes, simple things as groceries and gas for our vehicles. He hired me as an employee, and at the end of the year, he just kind of threw all the taxes on top of me and my family, and we ended up having to pay the bill for that.
Working families pay the price. Workplace fraud strips workers of their rights to overtime and minimum wage, cuts them out of workers' compensation, and shifts the employer's tax burden to working families.
When workers are misclassified, it undermines our ability to have a sustainable workforce. We need to invest in the workforce for our future. We need to find a way to attract, train, and retain, and present a career path for our employees of the future.
The construction industry suffers. With rampant fraud, construction workers receive fewer benefits and lower pay than in the past. We need to build a sustainable industry for Texas, or both workers and businesses suffer. What can we do about it? Texas can take steps to address workplace fraud by passing policies that reward companies that play by the rules and not those who break the law. By addressing workplace fraud, Texas can level the playing field for honest businesses and bring in needed revenue to our state. Workplace fraud. Bad for workers, bad for business, and bad for Texas.